Hey crypto fam, let's talk about trust. You sink your hard-earned cash into this exciting, volatile market, but where exactly does your crypto go when it's on an exchange like Gemini? Now, Gemini isn't exactly a bank in the traditional sense. They can't offer things like checking accounts or loans. But they do need a safe place to store the fiat currency, regular money, you use to buy and sell crypto, and that's where things get interesting. The myth of the big bankroll. There's a common misconception that Gemini throws all your crypto into one giant digital vault. Not quite. Gemini, like most reputable exchanges, operates on a full reserve system. That means for every dollar you deposit, there's a corresponding dollar waiting patiently in a real bank account. So, the question remains, which bank does Gemini use? Behind the curtain, unveiling Gemini's banking partners. Unfortunately, Gemini keeps that information close to the vest. It's likely they spread their reserves across a network of institutions for several reasons. Security, distributing their reserves across multiple banks minimizes the risk of a single point of failure. If one bank gets hacked or goes under, your funds are, hopefully, safe in others. Compliance, different banks may specialize in handling specific types of currency or adhere to stricter regulations. Gemini spreading the love across institutions ensures they're compliant with various financial rules. Negotiation power. By utilizing multiple banks, Gemini can leverage their business for better rates and terms. This ultimately benefits you, the customer, with potentially lower fees. The flip side, weighing the risks. While Gemini's reserve system offers peace of mind, it's not without its risks. Here's what to consider. Bank failure. Even with a network of banks, there's always a tiny chance that one, or more, could experience financial difficulties. In such a scenario, depending on the specific bank agreements, some user funds might be inaccessible for a period. Regulatory hurdles. Banks are heavily regulated institutions. If a new law or regulation throws a wrench into Gemini's banking partnerships, it could disrupt user access to their funds. The power of transparency, why it matters. While understanding the specifics of Gemini's banking partners might seem like trivia, it highlights a larger issue, transparency in the crypto world. Ideally, we have more open communication about how exchanges handle user funds. This fosters trust and empowers users to make informed decisions. The takeaway, balancing risk and reward. While the exact banks Gemini uses remain a mystery, their full reserve system offers a significant layer of security for your fiat currency. However, it's important to remember that crypto itself is a volatile asset class. There are inherent risks involved, and complete security is a unicorn in this space. Do your research, understand the risks, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe in the cryptoverse.